Job interview phone call.
Hello, may I speak to Daniel Harris, please?
Speaking.
Hello, Daniel. This is Sarah Collins calling from Brightway Solutions.
Hello, Sarah. Thank you for calling.
I'm calling regarding your application for the Customer Support Officer position.
Yes, thank you.
We've reviewed your CV and would like to ask you a few questions, if that's all right.
Yes, of course.
Could you briefly tell me about your work experience?
Certainly. I have 2 years of experience in customer service, handling calls, emails, and client queries.
That sounds relevant. Why are you interested in this role?
I'm interested because it matches my skills, and I enjoy helping customers solve problems.
Good. How do you handle difficult customers?
I remain calm, listen carefully, and try to find a solution as quickly as possible.
That's important for this role. Are you comfortable working flexible hours?
Yes, I'm flexible and open to different schedules.
Great. Are you currently employed?
No, I'm available to start immediately.
Excellent. We'd like to invite you for an online interview later this week.
That would be great. Thank you.
Are you available on Thursday afternoon?
Yes, Thursday works well for me.
Perfect. I'll send you the interview details by email shortly.
I appreciate that. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Daniel. Speak to you soon.
Speak to you soon. Goodbye. At the hotel. Check-in. UK style.
Good evening.
Good evening. Welcome to the hotel.
Hello, I have a reservation under Emma Wilson.
Certainly. Let me just check that for you.
Sure.
Yes, I have it here. You're staying for 2 nights, is that right?
Yes, that's correct.
May I see your ID, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. And will you be paying by card today?
Yes, by card.
Great. Could you please insert your card here?
Done.
Perfect. Your room is on the 3rd floor.
Is there a lift?
Yes, just around the corner on your left.
Thank you.
Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 in the dining area.
That's good to know.
Here's your key card. Room 312.
Lovely. Is the Wi-Fi free?
Yes, it's free. The password is written on the card holder.
Excellent.
If you need anything, just dial 0 from your room phone.
All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Thanks. Have a nice evening.
Asking for a window table and ordering coffee.
Excuse me,
Yes, how can I help?
do you have a table by the window?
Let me check. Yes, we do. Just for one?
Yes, just me, please.
All right. Please take that seat by the window.
Thank you. It's a lovely spot.
You're welcome. Would you like to order now or in a moment?
I can order now.
What can I get you?
I'll have a latte, please.
Regular or large?
Regular is fine.
Would you like anything to eat with that?
Maybe a croissant. Are they fresh?
Yes, they came out of the oven this morning.
Perfect. I'll take one.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Is that to have here?
Yes, to have in.
Great. I'll bring it over shortly.
Thanks very much.
No problem at all. Enjoy the view. I'd like to book a train ticket, please.
Certainly. Where are you traveling to?
I'm going to Manchester.
And when would you like to travel?
Tomorrow morning, if possible.
One way or return?
Return, please.
What time would you prefer?
Sometime around 9 a.m.
All right. There's a train at 9:15. Would that work for you?
Yes, that's fine.
Standard or first class?
Standard class, please.
Do you have a rail card?
No, I don't.
That's no problem. The return fare is £68.
Okay.
Would you like a seat reservation?
Yes, if available.
Certainly. Window or aisle?
Window, please.
No problem. How would you like to pay?
By card.
Please insert your card here.
Done.
Thank you. Here's your ticket and receipt.
Great. Which platform will it be?
It will be announced shortly. Please check the display board.
All right. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant journey. Excuse me, sorry to bother you. I think this might be my seat.
Oh, really? I checked my boarding pass. I'm assigned to seat 22C.
Let me see. My ticket says 22A, and that should be the window seat.
I thought C was the window. I must be mistaken.
Actually, A is the window, B is the middle, and C is the aisle.
Oh, wow. You're absolutely right. I read it wrong. I'm sitting in the wrong place then.
It's okay. These letters can be confusing.
I really wanted a window seat, so I didn't double check.
No worries at all. It happens often.
I'll switch seats right away.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Looks like you'll enjoy the clouds today.
Yes, I'm lucky. Have a pleasant flight.
Asking for directions on the street. UK style.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Sorry to trouble you. Could you help me, please?
Of course. What are you looking for?
I'm trying to find the city bus station.
All right. Go straight along this street.
Okay.
When you reach the roundabout, take the second exit.
The second exit. Got it.
Then walk for about 3 minutes.
Will it be easy to see?
Yes, it's opposite the supermarket.
Is it far from here?
No, it's quite nearby.
That's good.
You'll see a petrol station first. The bus station is just after that.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Have a lovely day.
You too. At the pharmacy. Hello.
Hello. How may I help you?
I'm looking for something for a cold and sore throat.
Of course. Could you tell me your symptoms?
I have a headache, blocked nose, and a mild sore throat.
Have you experienced any fever or chest discomfort?
No, nothing like that.
Have you taken any medication already?
Just paracetamol earlier today.
That's fine. I can recommend a suitable cold relief medicine.
All right.
This product helps with congestion, pain, and sore throat.
How should I take it?
2 tablets every 6 hours, preferably after meals.
Is it safe to take with other medication?
Yes, as long as you don't exceed the daily limit.
Understood. Are there any side effects?
It may cause mild drowsiness in some people.
That's fine.
I'd also suggest drinking fluids and resting.
Thank you for the advice.
You're welcome. Anything else you'd like today?
No, that's all.
That will be £6.10, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Please read the instructions carefully.
I will. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Asking for a seat on the bus. Excuse me, is anyone sitting here?
No, go ahead.
Thanks. These buses get full so quickly.
They really do, especially in the mornings.
Yes, I almost didn't get on.
Same here. I just made it.
Do you take this bus every day?
Most days, I use it for work.
Oh, that must be tiring.
It can be, but it's cheaper than driving.
That's true. Traffic is terrible lately.
Absolutely. And parking is a nightmare.
How far are you going?
Just to the town center.
Not too bad. I'm getting off near the hospital.
That's only a few stops from there.
Good to know.
At least we both found seats today.
Yes, lucky us.
Have a good rest of your journey.
You too. Taxi takes a different route. Morning. Where would you like to go?
Could you take me to the Parkview Hotel, please? It's near Green Lane.
Of course. Please get in.
Sorry, this road seems different. Does it still lead there?
Yes, I'm using a quieter route to avoid traffic.
I usually go via High Street.
Normally, yes, but it's very busy today because of repairs.
Will this way take longer?
Just a few extra minutes, but it's smoother.
All right, I just don't want the fare to go up too much.
Don't worry, it won't make much difference.
How long do you think it will take?
About 12 minutes from here.
Okay, I trust you.
Thank you. I've been driving around here for a long time.
How long have you been a taxi driver?
Nearly 10 years now.
Then you must know the area well.
Yes, very well. I also know some nice places to eat.
Oh, really? Any recommendations?
You might like Seaside Grill. They do excellent fish.
That sounds lovely. I enjoy fish.
Their vegetables are fresh too.
Great, I'll try it.
Oh, I can see the park now.
Are we close?
Yes, just one more turn.
You were right. This route is better.
No traffic at all.
Thanks for the ride.
That'll be £8.50, please.
Here's £10. Keep the change.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.